Welcome to Smart Stockwatch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 4th, 2024, and we're diving into Inotiv's fourth quarter and full year financial results for fiscal 2024. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stockwatch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Inotiv, a leading contract research organization, has just released its earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack, especially with the challenges and strategic moves they've made this year.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. Inotiv reported a fourth quarter revenue of $130.4 million, which is a 7.3% decrease from the same period last year. John, what are the main factors behind this decline?
The decline in revenue is primarily due to a decrease in both the Discovery and Safety Assessment (DSA) and Research Models and Services (RMS) segments. DSA revenue fell by 11.2%, largely due to reduced demand for safety assessment services and a general slowdown in biotech activity. RMS revenue also dropped by 5.2%, impacted by lower pricing and sales in non-human primate products.
And how about profitability? The net loss for Q4 was $18.9 million. How does this compare to previous quarters?
While the net loss is significant, it's actually an improvement from the previous quarter's loss of $26.1 million. This indicates some recovery, although the full-year net loss of $108.9 million reflects ongoing challenges, including a $28.5 million charge related to legal settlements.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. In terms of operational efficiencies, Inotiv reported an adjusted EBITDA of $5.4 million for Q4. What does this tell us about their operational performance?
The adjusted EBITDA, although down from $23.7 million in the previous year, shows that Inotiv is making strides in managing its costs. The company is focusing on integration and cost reduction initiatives, which are crucial for improving margins and stabilizing their financials.
Looking ahead, what are Inotiv's strategic priorities?
Inotiv aims to reduce volatility in their non-human primate business and continue enhancing customer experience. They are also planning further site optimizations to cut operating expenses, with most benefits expected in fiscal 2026. Their strategy is to build a more unified, customer-driven approach across their global operations.
Financial health and capital management. Let's discuss Inotiv's financial health. They ended the fiscal year with $21.4 million in cash and equivalents. How does this position them in terms of liquidity?
While their cash position has decreased from $35.5 million last year, Inotiv has taken steps to enhance liquidity by issuing second lien notes and amending their credit agreement. This provides them with more flexibility to manage their debt, which stands at $393.3 million.
What are the implications of these financial maneuvers for Inotiv's future operations?
These actions are part of a broader strategy to strengthen their balance sheet and ensure they have the necessary capital to support ongoing operations and strategic initiatives. The amendments to their credit agreement also provide some relief from financial covenants, giving them room to maneuver as they work towards profitability.
CEO insights and strategic vision. CEO Robert Leasure Jr. provided some insights into Inotiv's strategic vision. What are the key takeaways from his commentary?
Leasure emphasized the importance of improving customer experience and compliance, which are central to their strategy. He highlighted the integration of new services and products to expand their scientific expertise and offerings. The goal is to create a more unified, customer-driven approach across their global footprint, which they believe will drive innovation and growth.
How does this align with their current challenges and opportunities?
Addressing past challenges has strengthened their business in many areas. By focusing on integration and cost reduction, Inotiv is positioning itself to capitalize on future opportunities, particularly in stabilizing their NHP business and enhancing their service offerings.
Key takeaways. In summary, Inotiv faced a challenging fiscal year with a significant decline in revenue and profitability. However, their strategic focus on cost reduction and integration shows promise for future improvements. John, any final thoughts on Inotiv's investment prospects?
Inotiv is navigating a tough landscape, but their proactive measures to enhance liquidity and streamline operations are positive steps. Investors should watch how these strategies unfold, particularly in stabilizing their NHP business and achieving cost efficiencies.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Inotiv's performance in the comments below.